So I might never get out of that place, but I shook my head and I laughed in their face. I said, no, 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 I cannot do it. Never, never, no, 'cause I cannot do it.
Now what do I do with my renegade heart?
It won't listen to reason, blows my chances apart.
The world is filled with swindlers and liars by the score, and Roberts and Joel Osteen and Paula White, the White House whore.
Some days you can't get out of your bed. You keep them covers pulled up over your head.
You got no worries, please choose to live this grateful way. You have a secret superpower, you can choose, bring the sunshine, blow those clouds away.
Sad times give us no warning. Some days we pretend we're strong.
My addiction, my addiction, my